I have big news! If you're interested in learning how to drive targeted traffic and making sales on Clickbank, then watch this video from a friend who became the #1 affiliate in the world. If this is not for you, then just skip this video. But just one more thing before I introduce you to my friend Robbie Blanchard. What you're about to see is real and it works. I'm telling you this because the first time I watched this video, I thought it was too good to be true. So please, Robbie, tell us more about your online business and your results.
Hey, what's up guys? Robbie Blanchard here, and yes, the rumors are true. I did become the #1 Clickbank affiliate in the world, and just to prove it to you and show you that I'm not lying, here is a look at my Clickbank account, right? So you can see each and every day I'm making thousands of dollars. Now, am I saying that you're gonna make thousands of dollars each and every day? No, but you probably will though if you register for my free training where I reveal my 3-step system for how to make money online with Clickbank offers, right? And this has been a game changer for me. I went from just being a struggling personal trainer a couple of years ago to now generating thousands of dollars, being able to travel the world. Like just recently I was in Brazil on vacation and I was still making money each and every day. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then register for my free training by clicking that link above, and I can't wait to see you on the inside because I know it's gonna make a huge impact in your life and in your bank account.